YouTube is one of the best places to make money outside your 9-to-5 job. With 2.2 billion monthly active users, it is currently the second most popular platform after Facebook. With such large numbers, you should be able to create content and get paid without being concerned about showing your face or using your voice. Do you want to know about some of the most successful niches? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll show you 5 hidden automation niches that can earn you up to $10,000 monthly. We'll show you examples of channels in these niches in no particular order and even reveal how much money they make monthly. So watch this video to the end to get everything. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Running cash cow automation channels is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. These channels are fantastic because they can be run without showing your face or appearing in the video. It's not an innovative way to earn a living, but largely untapped. It requires a good niche selection, above-average video editing skills, good topic selection, promotion, and consistency to be successful. The good news is that these money-making channels can be classified as assets. If you reach a point where you no longer want to make these YouTube videos, you can choose to sell the channel for a good price because its value has increased due to the subscriber and view count. Here are 5 secret YouTube automation niches where you can make money in 2023. The first channel in the list is The Geography Bible. You can guess what this channel's videos are about by looking at the name. They base their videos on various geographical locations. It's similar to the travel niche, but instead of informing you about places to visit, they inform you about facts about various geographical locations. The Geography Bible was founded on June 4th, 2020, and now has nearly 100,000 subscribers. One of the things we like about this channel is how they produce high-quality videos. This is significant because it determines how long your viewers will watch the video. Please ensure that these videos are high quality when creating them. An example video uploaded on this channel is 30 geography facts most people get wrong. I'm already curious about some of these facts based on the title. Their title is attention-grabbing, brief, and to the point. This factor influences people's decision to watch your video or not. This clip was uploaded a year ago and has received over 1.2 million views. When you watch this video, you will notice that no one is showing their face. You'll need a script to make a video like this, and everything else will be done for you. Watch how to make AI-generated YouTube videos in 2023 to learn how to create these faceless YouTube videos with AI software. So how much money does this channel make? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received approximately 1.3 million views in the last 30 days, and they estimate that they could have made between $328 and $5,300. Even though the estimated earnings are not too bad, they could be earning much more because Social Blade estimates them using a CPM of between 25 cents and $4. This channel is in the geography niche, which is pretty much a subgenre of the travel niche. The travel niche has a historical average CPM between $4 and $20, so we suspect the Geography Bible would as well. Knowing that, we can speculate that this channel earns between $5,200 and $26,000 per month. YouTube receives 45% of this amount, with the remaining funds going to the channel's owner. Brand deals and sponsorships are another way for this channel to make more money. Because their videos are of such high quality, we are confident they will easily land a brand deal. Moving on, the next channel on the list is The 5 Best. This channel was created in November of 2018, and it makes videos in the tech niche, but in the top 5 format, which means that all of its videos begin with the words top 5. We included this channel because the tech niche is one of the niches with high CPM ranges. It has a CPM of between $8 and $25, which is fantastic. The channel owner can earn between $8 and $25 for every 1,000 views. This channel's example video is titled Best Budget Gaming Laptop in 2020. This video was posted 3 years ago and has received over 1.7 million views. We estimated that this channel earned between $13,600 and $340,000 from this video. YouTube receives 45% of this amount, with the remaining funds going to the channel's owner. Regarding revenue, the tech niche is one that you can monetize in various ways and still make money. One method is to use affiliate marketing. If you look at the description of one of the videos on this channel, you will notice an affiliate link for each gadget mentioned in the video. This link takes us to Amazon.com, and if we purchase after clicking on it, the channel owner earns a commission. As you can see, this channel is doing exceptionally well in revenue. When you watch one of their videos, you will realize how simple it is to create this type of video. Nobody is showing their face, and they may not speak in their natural voice. You'll see that different pictures and videos try to show the gadgets talked about in the video. The images and videos shown are extremely high quality, leading us to believe they were obtained from the manufacturer. Consider that when you make a video like this, you are advertising the manufacturer's product, so they won't mind if you use a video they made. This only works if you use videos created by manufacturers rather than third parties. The third channel on the list is Countrycast. This is one of the list's newest channels. This channel was created on March 1st, 2019, and now has over 400,000 subscribers. Their videos are based on a twist on a popular niche known as celebrity. So unlike most celebrity channels, this channel focuses on country news and music rather than general pop culture. Targeting country news and music is fantastic because they have a large audience translating to many views. One of their recently uploaded videos is titled Miranda Lambert Announces Major Career Decision. This video was uploaded 4 days ago and received over 156,000 views as of this writing. This demonstrates the popularity of country news and music culture. When you watch this video, you'll notice that the concept remains the same. No one is showing their face. All we see are various images and videos of Miranda Lambert and a voiceover explaining what happened. So creating this type of video is very simple. All you need is a script, and you will generate the video and voiceover from the script using text-to-video and text-to-speech software. So how much money could a channel like this make? Social Blade statistics show they have received over 3.4 million views in the last 30 days. We estimated that this channel could earn between $2,606 and $6,950 based on the historical average CPM of the celebrity niche, which ranges between $0.75 and $2. Earning such a large sum from video creation is fantastic. I typically advise people not to enter the celebrity niche. However, after speaking to a few of you, it seems that you're determined to make content in this low CPM niche. Understanding that those entering the celebrity niche should narrow their search to other sub-niches such as K-drama, country news, and music because other sub-niches, such as pop and rap, have many channels dedicated to them. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you've had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Following that, the next channel is Free Investing. This channel was founded on September 1st, 2020, and now has nearly 1 million subscribers. This channel makes videos in the financial motivation sub-niche. They take clips from existing power figures like Warren Buffett. Because people like him have so much influence, you can use their name to add authority to your videos, and your videos end up with many views, which translates to more money. What's more, creating these types of videos is incredibly simple. All you have to do is look for clips of these influential people giving speeches, then look for relevant stock images and videos that correspond to what is said in the voiceover. In this case, the voiceover is the speech of an influential person. A recent example video on this channel is titled "The Fed and Banks Will Seize All Your Money in This Coming Crisis." This video has received over 96,000 views since it was posted 3 days ago. The idea remains the same when you play. No one shows their face or uses their own voice. We all see stock images and videos with a voiceover from Peter Schiff. Using royalty-free images and videos helps you avoid copyright claims, so when using speeches from famous people, make sure to edit the video. How much money could this channel make? Based on the length of their videos and their daily uploads, we can determine that they make a lot of money. One of their most popular videos is Warren Buffett Leaves the Audience Speechless. This clip was uploaded a year ago and has received over 12 million views. Using the historical average CPM of the motivation niche, which is $30, we estimate that this channel made around $360,000 from just this single video. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. The final channel on the list is Hungry Passport. This channel was founded in 2017 and focused on creating videos in the travel niche. The travel niche has the advantage of most of its videos being evergreen, and it has a historical average CPM of between $4 and $20. Hungry Passport makes videos that inform people about exciting things to do in a specific country. The good thing about videos like this is that they continue to receive views even after many years. This is because whenever someone wants to visit a new place, they usually do their research first, which includes watching videos like this to get an idea of what to expect. One thing we noted about the thumbnails being used in this type of video is they are extremely high quality. This encourages the audience to watch the video. This channel's example video is titled Top 10 Things to Do in London. This video was uploaded 7 months ago and currently has over 200,000 views. When we play this video, the idea is the same. No one is showing their face. All we see are stock images and videos depicting locations in London, attempting to explain what is said in the voiceover. So how much money could this channel make? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 1.2 million views in the last 30 days, and they estimate that they made between $304 and $4,900. Even though the estimated figures are not too bad, they are inaccurate. This is because Social Blade estimates these earnings using a CPM of between 25 cents and $4. This channel could have made between $4,800 and $24,320 based on the historical average CPM of the travel niche, which is between $4 and $20. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the rest to the channel owner. Isn't that wonderful? Aside from advertising revenue, this channel earns money through sponsorships. Learn from this channel if you want to venture into the travel niche. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these 5 secret $10,000 month YouTube automation niches. Which of the examples provided was your favorite, and why? Also, do you intend to launch a YouTube automation channel? Comment down below and let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know about the 5 secret YouTube automation niche. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about the new Jasper AI Chrome extension. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about the new Jasper AI Chrome extension. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.